So you want to start homeschooling your kid, but you don't know how to get started? Just give me 3 minutes of your time, and maybe I'll be able to point you in the right direction. Because if you want to leave this to then go home and teach here, stick around.
Here are a few things to consider before you start homeschooling. Number 1, your kids will be with you 24/7, 365. Number 2, your kids will be with you 24/7, 365. Find a homeschool style that works best for you and your child. There are many to choose from. Traditional, it's like the public school structure with desk and everything, but at home. Unschooling, this style fosters natural curiosity in your child as they choose what they want to learn that day. Eclectic, it's like your fancy coffee blend with a little bit of this and a little bit of that, all into one. Coffee. These are just a few of the homeschool styles to consider, and each can be done using curricular kits or using an online system. Once you have your homeschool style and curriculum selected, it is time to check your state guidelines for homeschool. In our state of Florida, we need a letter of intent from our county to start homeschool. This letter notifies the Department of Education that your child will be homeschooled. Number 5. Your children's portfolio and having your homeschool evaluated. The portfolio should contain all the necessary documents that your state county requires, as well as a sample of all academic subjects your homeschooler is taking. As for an evaluation, we use a certified teacher to go over our portfolio. We have been using Curtis Tucker at homeschool-evaluations.com. They have been doing a great job. Number 6, find a tribe. Do your best to find a homeschool co-op and activities to keep you and your child connected to the community. We've been really lucky with the families we've met at our homeschool co-op. And just know that you got this. It's really not that difficult. The first step is intimidating. Just go with it. I mean, why not? It's something that you don't have to do alone. There's curriculum to help you out. There's online school, or you can just contact other people. You're not at this alone. And as far as the portfolios go, you have wonderful teachers that can certify your work and just make sure that you're doing the right thing by your child. So don't fret, and as always, keep learning. Until next time, bye now.